Hey guys, this is Kyle. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of my own recipe for the holiday dessert. It's the Gingerbread Bundt Cake. First, you want to start by preheat your oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the oven will be nice and hot. You need to take about only 12 cup 10-inch bundt pan. Brush it with some melted butter, coat it with a little bit of flour, then dump off the excess flour and set aside. I'm using about with this pan with the flour spray. This might be way quick. We're going to start with the wet ingredients in a large bowl. I already combined here 12 tablespoons of unsalted butter, room temperature, along with 3/4 cup of firmly packed light or dark brown sugar. Then you just want to cream that together with the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Don't want to get any sugar crystal dissolves. I'm adding 3 large eggs. Have that at room temperature. You're going to be in 1 egg at a time. Always have to make sure to scrape down the bowl and the bottom, the sides using with the rubber spatula. Then just continuing to beat right over. Then you're going to put in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Then a half a cup of Ground Molasses. This has only a Blackstrap Molasses, and molasses is going to be nice and syrupy, colorful. You just want to keep going just to get that really touch of molasses. I already heat up with very warm milk. I'm using low-fat milk, whatever kind of milk you want to prefer. I heat up in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds. Just want to keep it very warm. That's 1 cup of very warm milk mixed with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then just keep whirling over. We're going to set that aside for just a moment. In a separate bowl, we're going to combine 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to add some spices, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Then just stir it right around using with a wire whisk. Now you want to add the dry slowly to the wet little by little. Then you want to keep whirling around till you get a nice, very light batter. Or you can actually say really just a little bit then. So here's the batter. Then you want to spoon those using with the large ice cream scooper into prepared bundt pan. Just want to spoonfully into the pan halfway. Once after you spoon over, then you just want to spread it on the back of the spoon or the upset spatula. You can also jiggle it with your hands whirl around to break off the excess bubbles. The oven's waiting for me. They're going to put this in the oven. Has been already preheated for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Just keep an eye on it in the oven. Now, once after 1 hour, you're going to take it out. You're going to put it on a cooling rack to let them cool. Now, always remember using the toothpick to insert it into the center of the cake to check with, or you can use it with the cake tester or the bamboo skewer, and it comes out clean. So after I just tested with the toothpick or the cake tester or the bamboo skewer, I flipped the cake over onto the rack that has been transferred from the pan. Might be easy way to pick it up for here. You can see those cake how smell the vision on the spice of the gingerbread. We're going to let them cool for 30 minutes. Once after cool for 30 minutes, I decide I can make a glaze. I put it into the next medium bowl. That's 3/4 cup of confectioner sugar. And I spice up for more of ground cinnamon and ground ginger. Ground cinnamon has to be only 1 teaspoon, and ground ginger only 2 teaspoons. So there's ground ginger over here, and cinnamon. And just gonna keep stir over those tiny small bowls. Looks like I need a bigger bowl that's not even enough, but it might be works. Then putting remaining of the 2 tablespoons of whatever type of milk that you prefer. I'm using low-fat milk. You can use whole milk, skim milk, soy milk, 1%, either way 2%, or milk substitute if you prefer. You want to stir this around with a spoon to get a nice, shiny, glossy glaze. So once after you stir around, you're going to drizzle with the glaze on top of the warm cake. And of course, I transfer it onto a large serving platter. Then you want to drizzle the glaze, you can pour it doesn't really matter. This is going to make a nice and shiny look. And you can smell those ginger right on top of this for those glaze. Hopefully you're doing for the holiday season. Now after you finish drizzling the glaze, as for the presentation, I'm going to give this for a slice. I'm just giving you guys a closer look. You can see the cake, just how moist it was. So as you dig into it, and here's the finished product for the gingerbread bundt cake. If you're interested for more holiday season, write down in the comments below. Always remember to review always before sharing. Give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, hope you guys will enjoy for the gingerbread bundt cake. Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out these other recipes from In the Kitchen with Worldwide Campus on this playlist. Then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest videos.